How to get sales on Redbubble. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get sales on Redbubble to improve your business, to run a successful business and sell your products to make money. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is, of course, you will go to yourredbubble.com and you will land on this platform right here. Redbubble is an amazing marketplace that allows you to sell print on demand. You can create your online store and sell posters, t shirts, stickers, hoodies, wall art, accessories, and more. When it comes to Redbubble, of course, we want to sell our products when we create a store. But sometimes we hear people say that they're not getting the sales they want to, and we personally are not able to sell products. So I have secret methods for you that are completely free that will help you actually increase your sale. It's a proven method. I also use this method, this promotion method, and it has increased my sales to 30%. That's what you want to. So let's start. The first thing that you need to do is, of course, create a quality product and make sure that you have something unique in store. Let's say that you're creating t-shirts. So don't go with basic designs and create a very unique t-shirt style and create your online store. So the first thing is, of course, that your product should be a good product. And after that, we need to do promotions. That's the secret. Promotion is the key because with promotion, we will be able to get traffic to our store, to our products, and then people will be able to buy them. So, how to get free traffic? The first method is going to be using Pinterest. You might have heard about Pinterest. Pinterest is an amazing social media plus a search engine. So, we're getting a double benefit from Pinterest. Pinterest is amazing. You don't need to create a business account. All you have to have is a simple account and then create your own pins. We can create pins for our products right here. Let's say that I'm selling t-shirts or maybe wall art. Then I will create a pin right here on Pinterest. Like we do, for example, if I create a new pin, then you can see we can add a pin right here, a visual video or a photo. So you can add your photos right here. A lot of people actually do promote their Redbubble products right here. And then we have our title. You add your alt text, and in your alt text, you can use the keywords. And then we can add a destination link, which is going to be your store right here on Redbubble. Why we are using Pinterest? Because Pinterest has a large audience. There are millions of users using Pinterest. And Pinterest is used for inspirations and to get idea what's happening, what's trending. So if your pin lands in higher results on Pinterest or people are able to check out your pin right here on Pinterest, then they will be able to check out your store as well. They will be interested in your product and they will definitely check out your store and then buy as well. So people searching on Pinterest and using Pinterest are potential buyers. And that's what we need to use. So you can simply go ahead and use Pinterest to promote your Redbubble products and then you will be able to get more sales and sell your products. The next method is going to be promoting on Facebook groups. Again, it is one of the methods that is completely free. Facebook is an amazing social media with billions of users. And on Facebook, we can actually create our own post and promote our products. We can run ads on Facebook, but that costs money. What you can do is you can simply search for a group such as Redbubble products and you can see promote your Redbubble designs. This is actually a group and it has 10,000 members. All I have to do is simply join the group and add my post right here. This way, I will be able to sell and promote my products to the people that are actually interested and that have the idea about Redbubble. You can see right here, a lot of people are actually doing so. Somebody is promoting their stickers right here. Then we have t-shirts. And with this, we simply get our audience. Of course, out of 10,000, maybe out of 10,000, 100 people will check out your store and then 50 of them will buy it. So that is how we simply get sales on Redbubble by promoting the products on Facebook. The next method is promoting your products on Twitter. Twitter is also a very famous social media platform that allows you to create trending posts. On Twitter, we can do anything. Twitter has a very active audience and it's always trending and has a lot of different niches. We can simply create our own post right here on Twitter and tweet about our products. This way, we will be able to promote our products for free and people will be able to check it out. You can see right here on Twitter, each post has maybe 10 to 150 likes. And these are the people who are actually liking the product and they're definitely going to check out the store too. So before, you didn't have any people interested. But when you use Twitter, you are getting 100 to 200 likes on your product. That means people are loving your product and you will get a review very quickly. This way, you will be able to promote your product and, of course, sell them. On Twitter, there is a large audience and people are always looking for different stuff. So, if your product is trending and you tweet about it, then people will simply think that your product is trending and it is a good product. They will be interested and buy it eventually. So, if you're looking for a free method to promote your Redbubble products, then you should definitely check out Twitter. Next way you can promote your Redbubble products, a free way is going to be Instagram. Well, when it comes to business or selling products or creating posts, then Instagram is one of the best choice. When it comes to Instagram, we don't think about promotion and we usually think that it is just a, creating a feed and it is just going to be, adding posts and getting likes. But on Instagram, a lot of people sell their Redbubble products. What you have to do is you can either create your store on Instagram as well, but that will actually cost you money promoting your products, running ads. So you can simply promote your products by simple account too. On Instagram, people are very active and they're always looking for funky and cool stuff. To get access to the latest fashion, you can sell your stickers, your t-shirts on Instagram very easily. Instagram is one of the platforms that helps you reach out to the people who are interested. And you will be able to reach out the audience very closely and get your results. So if you're looking for a way to promote your Redbubble products, then Instagram is one of the options. And what you have to do is once you have created the product on Redbubble, make sure you have a Pinterest account, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You will be able to promote your products for free using these social media. You don't need to create any business account. Then you are also selling your products. Once you're promoting the product right, then nobody can stop you from earning and getting more sales. These methods will help you increase your sale by 30%, and if you're getting no sales right now, then you will be able to get a lot of sales by the end of this method. Make sure to promote the product and create high quality content, because if your product is not high quality and if it's not good, then people will actually reach out to you directly and you will get bad reviews. So make sure that there is no scam involved, and then you will be able to sell your products and get more sales on Redbubble. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to get more sales on Redbubble. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.